Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Look at this. Look at this. What they cooking right now? Breakfast. You got egg and noodle.
Ui, cái đau sorry, sorry.
Ở dê chọc cha đừng tạc đá thế. Gì?
Cái mà là thì chị hỏi. Lúc chắc là muốn khoai nhôm mà nó khoai nhôm đấy.
Pork belly. The bacon.
Nơi cái tên nhà hả?
My car. You make fried bun. I have to use it. I grind it.
Chê,
Thơm
nhắc
thơm
chê
thơm.
vậy.
Put a little bit more.
Cô kia xã thì ra mình chê.
Morning, brother. That's your breakfast.
Nó, sẽ điên smile bằng.
Oh, smile. Oh, okay.
Bạn là nhóm mình smile nè, cái hào tha là bọn sẽ Hanaman.
Hanaman. Okay, anh đang ở Sava.
Này, cô níu chạy dừng cô dư đi.
Khoan rồi, con nhớ khoan rồi.
Cô níu chạy dừng dư đi.
Con nhớ cái gì? Đấy, bàn. Chê thì bơi. Hả?
Mìm chạm chạm.
Mà đâu à? Lại phương.
Say thank you yay for the noodle. Làm mấy chẳng? Say thank you yay mà.
เนี่ยไอ้จงรอ breakfast ด้วยเก้ได้เนี่ย
Nhớ mà bảo chạm này rồi.
มีไอ้ออกจายเอ้ยมีเนาะ
เนี่ย
Con tờ mi nó ngọt.
ซีมี
บะมามัดเนาะสำหรับขมายมุ้ยนั่นไง
Mi bắt đọc. Nghe nhé cháu nghe nhé. Good.
ไอ้รอจานซีมีได้เนี่ย
Nó miên bầm bay cái chót tía rồi.
Dạ, nó miên đấy. คุกเตือนเหรอ
No. Ai ta nhắm cho nó phun đi á. Chọc chào xem con đi nhắm.
ช่วยหนึ่งสิ
Nhóm dùng mấy pin sister. Bài hái lên pui mi mà nè mà cái bông kia nó dùng mấy kháng nó sẽ pui dơ nhá. Nhóm liền mà cái bông.
ชี
Sẽ hái ta. Đây ra này.
good ชี
Cái chất nhắm này.
ชี
นี่ยูได้ชื่อเรียนทางประเดี๋ยวคลาไม่จะพูดได้ออนหกใบสักเจียมทอดเยอะๆสิเชี่ย I don't believe it แต่เคยเอามือเราเว็บไซต์ตาม YouTube ในประเทศไทยเอาซื้อใบ
Chả tôi mẹ ta bà. Nên mà. Bên tông chinh ó.
เอ็นเดียนู้ฮะพักกระตึกนั่นหรือเปล่า
เอาตัวโยมาฮันนี่
50 น้ำมาซื้อไอ้ตรงนั้นกระตึกเลยยอดไอ้หรือเปล่า
look at sunny look at beautiful day morning Saturday morning look the sun come out right there we're at National Forest I think they call El Dorado National Forest It's a really nice area. You want to come out here and camp on, first come, first serve. Just use your own area, own spot. It's really nice area. Look, really nice place. We come out here every summer, camping. We have another group over there in front of me. They go hunting. It's flowery, really nice flowery. Look. All right, see you guys later.